welcome back to another episode of Rose Award. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you can see, we're at the Crackle Barrel, the country and southern living.
Yeehaw!
That's for you, Kylie. Let's get straight to our hot topics for today.
So for our first hot topic, we have Cardi B says Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez better run for president as rep dances to Bodak Yellow. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
At this time, Dr. Ross, I should be the president if almost everyone out there in the industry is voting for this. First there was the Kanye West, there's the Trump, and now there's this woman that Cardi B is saying should be the next one. Why don't they, Kylie Jenner, nominate I, Black King? We'll make it. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So speaking about Kylie Jenner, there was a lot of issues recently with Kris and Kylie. Kris told Corey, her boyfriend, that she wanted to go to dinner, and Kylie said, no, let's stay here and take shots. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, Dr. Ross, Kylie is getting harder to handle now because she has a hold on the rest of the Kardashian family and Jenners. For example, Kim, Coco, and all of them. Kris has a hold on them, but Kylie, she made her own money. She didn't make her money through Kris, which means that Kylie has the freedom to do whatever she wants to do. But Miss Jenner, invest into the Playboy International, Black King. Invest into the Jamaican hairline and clothing products. We'll put some of that Jamaican hair gel in you and your baby's hair.
Exactly.
That's right, Dr. Ross.
For our last hot topic, we're going to talk about Tekashi 69. He's back at it again. He dangerously throws thousands of dollars in the air in the streets of LA. He's on tour right now, and apparently it's getting really dangerous. First, him and his bodyguards get beat up. Second, now he's just throwing money in the air, and people try to tackle him. What are your thoughts about this Black King Sebastian?
Dr. Ross, after him losing his street credit with that snitching, Tekashi, everything is dangerous to lose. You should just stay home and relax. Instead of throwing the money, why don't you pay someone like one of your bodyguards to go out there and throw it for you? Because 6ix9ine, you already know you're in a bad situation. Who knows? You could go out next time and then you get cat busted. But 6ix9ine, stay at home and stay safe.
Exactly, and stop trying to unravel things, because you really just go out there and call people stupid and dumb, and that's going to put you in the wrong places. But let's just go straight into the horoscope of today.
Oh my God!
Our horoscope for today is none other than the Leo. So for all Leos, you are going to be coming into an abundance of money and great things around you. That's for you. And for all of my Leos out there, happy birthday. This was all of our hot topics as well as our horoscopes. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. Stay tuned for the Rose Gold She's Hot contest. Our latest winner was Miss Zendaya. So make sure to leave your votes down below.